Morning, everybody. This is the 2-minute summary video. Just a reminder that these are not designed to get you through the class, so if you're relying on these, things are probably not going to go swimmingly for you. This is a review of, today we're starting to talk about functions. Now what that means, we've been dealing with things like 3x plus 7 equals, I don't know, like 20. Okay, which is probably a terrible equation to try and solve. And I've been asking you to go ahead and solve for x. Or I don't give you the 20 and ask you to plug something in. However, there is one more situation that exists that we're going to be dealing with today. Okay? So it's not just plug something in, see what you get out, or see what you get out, therefore what must you have plugged in. But the more complicated situation is where you're actually kind of doing both. Plugging something in and then seeing what you get out by keeping track of both of them at the same time. Okay? So that's our why. Okay, what we're trying to do is create ordered pairs. This is a function where you put something in, you get something out, and then those two things are going to be tied to each other, okay, permanently. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be making some charts. They're going to look a lot like this because, again, we're trying to make ordered pairs. And we're going to talk about that a lot more when we get to the coordinate plane. Okay, so you're going to solve for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to need to do all 5 of these. So you're going to take all 5 of these values, plug them in, and see what you get. So 0 times 3 is 0, plus 7 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. 13. 16. 19. 22. Let me just double check my math on that. Yes. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do today, to create these ordered pairs. So this, our first ordered pair was 0, 7. 1, 10. 2, 13. 3, 16, 4, 19, and 5, 22. And that's going to help us be able to eventually graph these equations. And we need the ordered pairs to do that. I'll see you online.